Okay, today is November 16, 2013. Let's take a look at Hewlett Packard, HPQ. It's one of those stocks that I've been monitoring and also trading in and out. It's one of these turnaround play that I classify as a turnaround play. And essentially, you can see that they kind of stumble, and the stock essentially got taken down to somewhere around this 1135 level back in last November, 2012. It's kind of making a little bit of a recovery, and then also got a little bit stumble, I believe, a couple months back. Maybe that's probably due to the last earning or something. I'm not sure what caused this big stumble down here, but essentially it is, doing a little bit of a price channel here, so established a little price channel. And in addition to that, I look at this particular possible pivot point as potential resistance with this long-term trend line. And then I posted a chart earlier, I think a few weeks back, indicating that's here's a point somewhere around $30 here, a confluence, point of confluence, and then essentially we're basically looking at the possibility of the price making its way up to this particular trend line here, and we want to see could it break this downtrend. If it breaks this downtrend, then the likelihood is it's going to try and test this level here, which is somewhere around this 30. See what exactly that level is there. It's exactly 30 on that weekly high. So if we could break that, then maybe it might be pulling back. I don't know, but at least right now, if we look at it come up here, it could be pulling back and maybe set up a little bit of a inverted head and shoulder when it get up there, but we'll see when it reach that point. But in the meantime, we did see a little bit of a turbulence last week. It got a little bit of a pullback. If we switch over to the, let me see, get to the daily first. If we get to the daily chart here, you can see that it got a little drop here, and this is the day after Cisco reported earning, and with Cisco indicating that the emerging market sales of some of the enterprise stuff is it's going to be lagging, and there, so John Chambers is forecasting a decline of 8 to 10% revenue decline for the coming quarter, and that might have a little bit of a drag on HP. Although that also a day after somebody reported some of the Chromebook was battery caught on fire or something like that, and so HP put a halt on the sale of their Chromebook computer. I don't believe that have too much of a significance because the sale on those things is really minute comparing to the enterprising business. So it's more probably the dire forecast from Cisco from John Chamber probably got got the market spook on HP a little bit, but it did make a comeback and appeared that it found some support here near this 20 EMA. And if we take a look at this, let me go back and take a look at the 30-minute chart here. You can see on the 30-minute, as it moving along, and it kind of got, drop over here on Thursday, the day after that earning from Cisco. It seems to be able to find some support somewhere around this 2480 level. And right now, it's basically trying to get back up to this particular resistance here, or this support level that turned into resistance. And right now, it's kind of got back up there and testing that again. So if we could get back up, if we see HP could get back up above this 2550 area, then maybe it could make itself back up and fill this gap and continue on to get up to that particular price channel that we were looking at on the weekly. And maybe possibly get up here and try to break this trend line and get up to test this 30 level. And then we'll see where that will take. Most likely, we're going to keep an close eye on the price action when it gets up to that 30 to see we're going to pull back or we're just going to forge right to and possibly take out that 30. And then we will most likely be looking at, this particular level here for the next potential resistance or somewhere, essentially somewhere between the 35 and the 3750 area for the next potential, resistance if we could take out this 30, this point of confluence. So that's one of the stock that I'm kind of looking at and, trading, for this potential turnaround. You can see it's been trending fairly orderly until recent little blimp here. This must be an earning report. Yeah, it could be that earning report that took it down. So anyway, good luck to you on your trading.